Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. Hope you are fine. Today our topic is about color the blocks with the letter I red. Now we color letter I with red color. Dear students, what is this? This is I. Move your finger, letter I. Like this. This is letter I. Let's color it. In the boxes, letter I. Let's trace them with pencil. I hope you understood this lesson. Take care. Allah Hafiz.
Dear students, please subscribe our channel, press the bell icon, like, share and comment the videos. Thank you very much.